The Culinary Institute of Barcelona CIB is an innovative, high-end culinary school designed for the 21st century. It positions itself not as a traditional cooking school, but as an international culinary platform focused on creativity, innovation, and leadership. Here is a comprehensive breakdown of everything you need to know about the school, programs, fees, and requirements for international students. Type of school institution. Type: Private International Culinary Institute. Methodology. They use a disruptive, challenge-based learning methodology, learning by doing. They focus on teaching students how to think like a chef and entrepreneur, rather than just following recipes. Language. Uniquely, they offer an intelligent translation system, pilot headsets, that allows students to follow classes in their native language, removing many language barriers. Programs, duration and fees. 2025/2026 intakes. The fees below are estimates based on upcoming 2026 intakes. Fees typically cover everything. Knife set, valued at approximately 800 euros. Uniforms, ingredients, field trips, and CIB membership. Haute cuisine, chef diploma, PCAC, 11 months full-time, 26,620 euros. Grand chef diploma, GDC, 20 months full-time, 40,054 euros. Meta chef diploma, MTC, 41 months full-time, 80,052 euros. Pastry chef diploma, PCD, 9 months part-time, 17,427 euros. Professional pastry and baking, 3 months part-time, 9,075 euros. Executive chef diploma, ECD, 3 months part-time, 9,075 euros. Note: part-time for diplomas often means intense daily blocks, e.g. mornings or afternoons, so it still requires full commitment. 3. Entry requirements for international students. CIB looks for attitude and potential over strict academic history. Age, minimum 18 years old. Education, high school diploma or equivalent is generally required for long-term diplomas. Language, classes, flexible due to the translation headsets. Admissions, you must pass a personal interview. Visa, for the Spanish student visa, you may need to prove B1/B2 English or Spanish proficiency to the embassy, even if the school is flexible. Application process, contact form. Fill out the form on their website. Advisor, call. A personal advisor will contact you to guide you. Admission form, submit your CV and motivation details. Interview, an online interview with the admissions committee to assess your CIB-ER attitude. Payment, upon acceptance, pay a reservation fee, approximately 30% within 15 days. 4. Visa details, non-EU students. Since most programs exceed 90 days, you will need a Type D student visa. Acceptance letter. Once you pay the reservation fee, CIB issues an enrollment letter. Proof of funds. You must show you have enough money for tuition plus living expenses, approximately 600 to 1,000 euros per month for the duration of your stay. Health insurance. You must purchase private health insurance authorized to operate in Spain. CIB can often recommend partners. Medical certificate. Proof of good health. Background check. Criminal record certificate from your home country. Contact information website. cib.education. Email hola@cib.education. Phone +34 935 95 1430. Social Instagram @cib.education. Would you like me to find the specific brochure for the Haute Cuisine Chef Diploma to see the exact weekly schedule? Culinary school experience in Spain. The Culinary Institute of Barcelona. This video is relevant because it provides an honest, student-led review of the Culinary Institute of Barcelona from a former student, covering essential topics like the language barrier, housing, and the reality of the curriculum beyond the brochure. If you like video, please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Hospitality Hub.